Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flan Goya, only ways. Begin by preheating your oven and preparing a water bath to ensure even cooking. Carefully heat sugar to make a golden caramel and pour it into the mold while hot. Whisk eggs and milks gently to avoid bubbles, then strain the custard for a silky texture. Bake in the water bath until set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Make the caramel first because timing matters and it sets quickly. Use a heavy pan and moderate heat so sugar melts evenly without burning. Once caramel is amber, pour it immediately into the flan mold and tilt to coat the base and sides thinly. Work confidently because caramel cools fast. If any spots harden, a quick gentle reheat will smooth them out, preserving that silky caramel layer under the custard. Careful baking and proper cooling make the difference between good and great flan. Place the filled mold into a larger pan and add hot water halfway up the mold sides to create a steam cushion. Bake until the custard jiggles slightly in the center, then cool at room temperature before chilling. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, which firms the custard and helps the caramel meld with the dessert for a smooth unmolding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.